Dinner at Venazu, the restaurant here at the W Hotel in Punta De Mita, and just excellent food. We had the ribeye steak and the catch of the day. I believe it was mahi mahi. Just really great food, great environment. Good morning. We're here having breakfast on our final day at the W Punta De Mita. If you take a look at our spread here, we're actually having the complimentary breakfast that's included if you're a Marriott Elite member. Got a cheese and meat plate, some yogurt and granola, fruit plate, and a gentleman with a bread basket comes along and puts a nice little croissant or muffin on your plate here. So. They also give you the option to upgrade your breakfast for a 450 peso upgrade fee. So I believe that includes something a little bit more with substance, egg, meats, bacon, hams. W Punta Mita is definitely a lot more secluded, further out, about an hour drive from the airport or from the city center. So definitely secluded out here, a lot more private, a lot more resort style hotel here with restaurants on site. You got a gym on site, and to be honest, not that many amenities as far as outside of the property. If you decide to go to a restaurant or some kind of excursion, you would have to go outside of the property. So if you're more of the urban type that likes to engage with the locals and want things to do outside of the resort, I would suggest you stay in the city center. I would suggest Hacienda de San Angel, just for that reason, where you don't have to stay in your hotel. You could explore the city, meet local people, and just enjoy the amenities outside of the hotel, restaurants, bars, cafes, local attractions. The W Punta Mita, I would say, is better for if you want more privacy, if you want more that resort style of living. If you decided to go outside of the property here at the W, you would have to hire a cab. And just the restaurants in the area, they're a good 20 minutes drive outside of the resort. So at the W, they did have on their website that they offer snorkeling, they offer paddle boards, boogie boards, and surfboards. But when we did ask for those amenities at the actual hotel, it was only limited to surfboards and boogie boards. So there was no kayaking, there was no snorkeling on site, even though their website says that they offer it. Again, it could be a seasonal thing or an availability issue, but during our stay, they only had surfboards and boogie boards available for rent. Just a quick update on the taxi situation on our return to the airport from the W Hotel. We weren't able to find any Ubers from the hotel to the airport, but we did shop around to see what our options were. The hotel does provide a taxi service from the hotel to the airport, and it's actually more of a black car service. which is a really nice big black Suburban, or white Suburban in our case. So it's a very comfortable ride. The hotel set it all up, and it's about $80 US to go from the airport, from the hotel to the airport. When we called a private taxi company, they quoted us about $100 US. So obviously the hotel option is better, not only because it's a little cheaper, but it is a black car option, a lot more luxurious and spacious.